Hello, everyone. Today, I want to speak directly to every organization, every leader, and every professional who plays a role in South Africa's coal value chain. From miners to engineers, from equipment suppliers to power stations, from laboratories and logistics companies, this message is for all of us. Across Africa, 80% of the world's population living without electricity call our continent home. Every night, we see this reality in our own cities, in our own towns, and in our villages. Streets in darkness, businesses unable to operate, children studying by candlelight. We cannot ignore what this means for our future. Electricity is not a luxury, nor should it be. It is the backbone of economic independence. It is healthcare. It is education. It is dignity. And the truth, as uncomfortable as it may be for some to hear, is that every wealthy nation on earth built its prosperity on abundant, reliable, and affordable power. Coal powered their industries, their factories, their cities, their growth. It was energy that unlocked prosperity, yet today, many African countries produce less than 200 kilowatt hours of electricity per person per year. Meanwhile, industrialized nations needed between 1,000 and 2,000 kilowatt hours per person to take off and build the societies that we admire today. But here's the paradox. Africa holds about 30% of the world's mineral wealth today. We have abundant coal, we have energy resources that remain largely untapped. And we are home to a young, ambitious population of over 1.5 billion people, with a median age of just 19. Think about that. Our future is vibrant and full of potential, but potential alone, as I'm sure you'll agree, is not enough. Without sufficient, reliable energy from our own resources, especially coal, we cannot build the industries, we cannot build the factories, smelters, the data centers, and manufacturing hubs that our people deserve. We cannot create the jobs that our young population urgently needs. We cannot transition to a more sustainable energy system if we first do not have an energy system that works. We cannot rely on expensive generators. We cannot definitely rely on foreign funding cycles. We cannot sit and wait for technologies that may take decades to reach full scale. We must take power into our own hands. So coal miners, technicians, researchers, suppliers, your work matters. You keep the lights on. You keep hospitals functioning. You allow businesses to operate. And yet, the world often tells Africa not to use the very resources that powered their own prosperity. This is why Coaltech exists. We exist to advance clean coal innovation, to pioneer alternative uses of coal, to unlock critical minerals from coal, ash, and other waste material. We exist to improve water resilience, to transform land, and to drive digital and environmental innovations across the value chain. And now, more than ever, we need every company in this sector to join us. Coaltech's program is expanding. In 2026, new projects will begin that will strengthen clean energy research, critical mineral recovery, sustainable materials, digital mining platforms, and innovations that support safer, more efficient, and more environmentally responsible coal utilization. This is not just research. It is the foundation of Africa's industrial future. When companies join Coaltech, they gain access to world-class research, national and international collaboration, and solutions that are created specifically for our context. Not imported models, not external agendas, but African solutions for African challenges. Together, we can ensure that Africa uses its coal responsibly, sustainably, and strategically. Together, we can build circular value chains that turn waste into minerals, Together, we can improve environmental performance and modernize our operations. Together, we can secure the energy foundation our continent needs to industrialize. We cannot wait. If Africa does not industrialize, our young people will seek opportunities elsewhere. If we do not invest in our resources, we will remain in the shadows. Coal gave power to the world. Now it is time to use it responsibly to bring light, jobs, and hope to this continent. So to every company along the coal value chain, join Coaltech. Be part of the research, be part of the innovation, be part of the future. Our time is now. I look forward to seeing as many companies as possible joining our mission, joining our mandate to ensure that we can mine this resource in the most responsible manner. Cannot wait to see you, cannot wait to work with you. I cannot wait for all of us to collaborate towards the advancement of sustainable coal energy.